Just sent this wireless tire inflator from YawYard. I'm going to show you what's in the box, and then I'm going to show you how easy this thing is to use. Inside the box, it's packaged extremely well. You have your main unit. This is a heavy duty unit. This thing has a metal cylinder and a copper motor. Has an on power switch right here that you're going to press and hold and turn it on. You'll have your battery indicator, and then you can change whether you want pressure, what type of pressure you want, and how to set it. And then you push it to make it go. It's relatively quiet. It'll be even quieter once we get it hooked up to the car. Also included is the adapter piece that hooks onto the end, and your charging cable to charge it back up. This unit is easy to move and maneuver around. When you have your settings up top here, you have PSI, bar, KPA, or kg/cm, and at the bottom here you have your choice of a car, or if you're going to do like a lawnmower, bicycle tire, and basketball, and it kind of presets the amount that you're going to put in there, but you can adjust it by simply going up or down with it to adjust it from there. In our particular case, our Porsche needs to have 37 in the front, so to hook it on, we're going to attach this on here, and then you're going to lock this part down. And that shows us that it currently has 30 in there right now, and we're going to turn it on.